Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you can see me. It's the Morning Gardener, and we are down here at one of my favorite stores just to get information from. You know, it's Lowe's. Let's see how the economy has affected this location and what people buying in the gardening department. And you might be able to see lots of plants out front. Let's go inside and see what people are buying. I'm seeing mostly, so far, flowers. People are not buying lots of flowers. And by the way, folks, I'm doing this on my own time. Still wearing the mask. And look what we got here. All right, let's see what we got here. People are buying some food. These are tomatoes. You can see some of the tomatoes have fallen free. Can you see this? Can't really see what I'm doing because of the light. Blackberries. I just bought some of these from the market. These are the thornless varieties. How much are these plants? Now keep in mind, these are just from cuttings, so they shouldn't be too pricey. Tomatoes. There we go. I couldn't see what I was doing at first. All right, we got blueberries here. This looks like a short variety blueberries. And we got the green grape here, probably more likely a Thompson. Nope. See the color of this here? But the container shows a green grape. Interesting. These are ornamental. Let's go over here and see if we can get in the collard green section. We have pepper plants going for almost $6 a piece. Tomato plants. And also we have thyme here. You can grow that really good from seed, but more tomato plants. So the majority of the plants here, I can safely say are tomato plants. One of these containers, like this one plant here, about 7 inches tall, 8 inches tall, is $10 per unit. Squash plants. Oh, look at this right here, squash plant. How many in here? One, 2, 3, 4. They're planting them here, 4 plants per pot. Each one of them has about 4 plants in it. Because they're very fragile, they can get damaged or break while you're transplanting, so they put 4 in there. These are $6, you might as well say, because I'm looking at the price here. Might as well say $6 with taxes and all. Green beans, snap beans. And then they got another one here called, what is this called? Eggplant. They're going for $6 per plant. And then we got the cantaloupe. We got a little cluster here of 4. Watermelon. Oh, watermelon here. Cluster of, again, a plant that can get damaged very easy. Doesn't like to be transplanted. Doesn't transplant too well. But if you know what you're doing, you can no problem at all. But some people kill that. $5.48 per unit. And again, over here, okay, now we got some really mature tomato plants, almost 3 feet, some of them 3 feet tall, and they're going for, you might as well say $20 a unit. Here's some ones up on the rack. So the plants, in other words, folks, the plants are here. If you got the bank, they got the plants. Then we got the cabbage, or lettuce, excuse me, lettuce. And I don't know what variety that was. Tomatoes. All this is good. These are plants I've never seen before in a store like this, like the watermelon plants and all of that. So we're looking good. All right, this is the Morning Gardener saying, check out my channel. Got the live show still on at night, and we'll be doing that in the very near future. Remember to leave comments, folks, because I really enjoy reading the material, and it keeps me motivated to put more shows on. All right now, Morning Gardener.